हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग मैथमेटिक्स शो में। हम बदलते हैं आपकी सोच, हम बदलते हैं आपका नज़रिया, हम निकालते हैं डर आपके मैथमेटिक्स का। मैथमेटिक्स इज़ नॉट अबाउट नंबर्स, इक्वेशंस, कॉम्पिटिशंस और algorithms. It is about अंडरस्टैंडिंग। हमारे नए नए वीडियो के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिए। नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस मैथमेटिकल शो में आज हम देखने वाले हैं बेसिक कंसेप्ट इन ज्योमेट्री, कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स एंड डिस्टेंस। एज वी नो दैट द नंबर लाइन एंड ऑन अ नंबर लाइन we can see various points. On the left hand sides all the negative numbers are there. On the right hand sides all the positive numbers are present. So in this case we are going to see some questions, some problems. Before that your idea must be clear, your concept regarding the coordinates that must be clear. How it is, some important points are there which are the useful for solving problems related with coordinates. How it is, distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. This is the one of the important point which you have to use now. See here some of the questions. Here we have given a number line. This is called as a number line, and you are seeing here on the right hand sides all the positive numbers are there. And how are these? These numbers are increasing towards right hand side. And what about the left hand side? All the minus numbers are there. Here all the positive numbers are there, they are increasing. Here these numbers are decreasing. Now you see here we have to find out the distance. Distance हमको अभी निकालना है. देखिए, you see this number line and we have given these coordinates. Distance uy. Now you see here where is u and this is y. Uy. We have to find out the distance uy. In that we have given here one point. Distance between the 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Larger coordinates में से smaller coordinate जो है आपको क्या subtract करना है. We have to make the subtraction. Now you see here uy, here u and the y. So we can write here y minus u. This is a simple way of writing. Y minus u. What is the coordinate of y? It is the 5 minus. What is the coordinate of u? It is the 1. So it will be 4. What is its another meaning? U and the y. You see here in between the uy 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces are there. So your answer is here 4. In that what we have done according to rule, what our rule says, make a subtraction of a smaller number from a larger number. This is a larger number, we are making a subtraction here, it is a 4. Now you see here next question. Distance is z, is and z. This is s which is on the left hand side, Z on the right hand side. Now you see here. So distance is Z, S and Z. So you make a subtraction Z minus S. You write the smaller number here. Z minus S. What is the coordinate of Z? It is the 6. We are writing here 6 minus. What is the coordinate of S? Here it is a minus 3. So 6 minus into minus plus, it will be the 6 plus 3. It is 9. Now the distance between these is 9. Now you can also see here in between S and the Z. You see here in between S and Z 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see are seeing that the 9 spaces are there. So its answer is 9. Now distance PS again S minus P. What is the coordinate of S? It is the minus 3. What is the coordinate of P? See here, where is P? It is minus 6. P is the distance we have to calculate. Now you see here is what is the coordinate of minus 3 minus P. What is the coordinate of P? It is the minus 6. Minus 6. So here minus 3 minus into minus, it will be the plus. It is the 6. Now make a addition. 6 minus 3, it is 3. So your answer is equal to 3. You see here, you can verify it. In between P and S, 1, 2, 3. In the same way, find out the distance Ty. Y minus T. You make here in this way. What is the coordinate of Y now? It is the 5 minus what is the coordinate of T? It is the minus 2. So here minus and minus will get plus. 5 plus 2. It is a 7. Now you see another question. If the coordinate of a point A is x and that of B is y, then find out the distance AB. Now see here. Distance AB we have to calculate. Here coordinate of A is x. And how much it is? 1. Coordinate of y. Coordinate of B, not of y. It is y. And how much? It is given 7. So A and B. So we are going to find out distance AB. How it is? Small b minus A. B is coordinate of B minus coordinate of A. So it will be 7 minus A. It is 1. 6. Here also same. Coordinate x, how much? It is minus 3. And that of y, that of B, minus 6. So distance AB, it is the B minus A means or y minus also x minus 6 minus of minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus 3. But distance is always a positive, so you can write here because is always positive. Now you see a next topic, that is the betweenness. If ABC are three distinct points, then there are the three possibilities here. A B C ये तीन पॉइंट है. अभी कौन सा पॉइंट किसके बीच में रहेगा ये हमको अभी देखना है. Here there are the or there can be a three possibilities. Now you see here three distinct point A, B and the C. Now another is B, A and C. What about the next? It is also possible. C, A and the B. Now in this, B lies between A and C. This is A and C. So we can write here A, B and the C. This is the symbol of betweenness. A, B, C. A, B, C. It is the symbol of the betweenness. In the same way, A lies between B and C. So we can write here B, A and the C. This is the betweenness. It means that which letter is in between these two. It can be possible in a three different way. Here C lies between and B. So A, C, B. It shows the betweenness. Now this type of the concept, it is useful for solving various types of questions. Now you see your question. From the information given below, now see here some of the question. From the information given below, which of the following number is in between other two? अभी ये तीन डिस्टेंस हमको दिए and which number is lies between other two, that we have to see here. Distance PR is given 7, After that, distance PQ is equal to 10, distance QR is equal to 3. In that, you see here that the which number is a addition of other two, which number is a addition or the subtraction of other two. You see here 7 plus 10, whether 3 is coming, no. 10 plus 3 or 10 minus 3, 7. See here 7 plus 3, it is a 10, it is possible, so we can write here. Now you are seeing here 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now 7 is the indication of which distance? It is the distance PR. What about the 3? It is the distance QR. What about 10? It is the distance PQ. I see here 7 plus 3. Now from there you draw a figure. It is PQ. See PR is 7. Now see here. Distance QR or RQ, it is given 3. Now total distance we are seeing here, it is the 10. So we can write here P, R and Q. In the same way you can solve this question, but you have to see here, but you have to identify whether the sum of two number is third or the subtraction of two number is third. Now you see here 8, 6 floor, 8, 6, 4 is there. See here 8 plus 6 is equal to 4. 8 plus 6, no, it is not possible. 6 plus 4, no, it is a 12. It is 8. Now after that 8 minus 6, 2, it is not equal to 4. अभी हमको देखना है कि दोनों की एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन तीसरा वाला आना चाहिए. So in such a case, what will happen? The points will not be in a straight line. यहाँ जो हमने देखे थे ये कैसे points that are in the straight line. अभी यहाँ कोई भी एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन तीसरे के बराबर नहीं आ रही है, तो हमको कंक्लूजन निकालना है कि that lines, that point are not in the one line. So you can say that 8 plus 6 is not equal to 4, 6 plus 4 is not equal to 8. After that 8 plus 4 not equal to 6. This shows that the points are not in one line, they are a collinear. Now you see here next question. On a number line, points ABC are such that AC is equal to 10, CB is equal to 8 and the distance AB we have to calculate considering all three possibilities. Now you see here distance AC is equal to 10. We are drawing here AC. how much? It is given equal to 10 units. After that CB is given, it is equal to 8. Now make addition here. It is ACB. Show the betweenness. So distance AB is equal to 18. Now you see here next case. AC is given how much? 10 units. ACB is given 10. So this is the 10 unit. After that CB is equal to 8. CB we have taken to this side. So it is also possible here. CB is equal to 8. ये हमने 8 लिया है, इस तरीके से भी हम ले सकते. So it will betweenness that will be of this type. ABC means distance AB in this case is equal to complete 10 minus BC. It is 10 minus 8. It will be equal to 2. You can also try for the third possibilities by considering left and right hand side of number line. That is your work. In this way we have taken the betweenness and the coordinates of a line. You can use this concept for solving various types of questions. Those students who fail to understand the previous concept, you can see our previous videos which are given in a playlist. जिनको समझ में आया नहीं है, ये पूरी के पूरी कंसेप्ट जो है ये आपको पहले पढ़ना है. जो हमारे पहले वाले जो वीडियो जो है उसमें दिया है कोलिनियर नॉन कोलिनियर, ये समझने के लिए आपको पूरी बेसिक कंसेप्ट जो है मालूम चाहिए. You give your comments about understanding whether you understand, whether you have any type of the difficulty or not. If you have any difficulty, ask me in a only comment box. I will try to solve your difficulty. हमारे नए नए वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.